So any doubts? I hope Dr. Munawar has given a clear picture about the products. Any doubts, any clarification you want, you can get it done now.
Doctor, tell us something about the future products.
Okay. There are many products online. So we'll be stage by stage we'll be announcing the products. Next probably next month end or in another about 40 days time we are supposed to launch one more product. Yes.
Yeah. Sir, can pregnant women take this osteodense?
Osteodense.
Yes.
Okay. Osteodense is basically a product which improves the bone wellness. And during the pregnancy, we generally suggest or avoid any medications, any supplements usually. There are two components in Osteodense. One is a sachet, another is a capsule. All are basically naturally derived ones only. But still, there is no study, we have not done the study on pregnant women, giving the Osteodense for them. And my suggestion, don't give for any lactating woman or pregnant woman these products, any products. Yes.
Suppose you take daru pita hai, alcoholic.
Okay.
He can take this one.
Oncoban.
Yeah.
Siram. It's an excellent question. In case of person who is already dependent on substance, alcohol.
Suitable question for Goa.
No. Okay.
Many of those like having that diabetes and these
Metabolic disorders. Okay. In case of a person who is already addicted to alcohol, Oncoban helps a lot. In a way, it even helps them to stop the addiction. How in sense, we usually advise Oncoban to be taken in the morning as the empty stomach. But for alcoholic, usually the issue is two things. One is their crowing. By the time evening 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, a particular time, once the serum level of all their alcohol level goes down, they will be crowing for the same alcohol substance repeatedly. So while taking Oncoban in the evening hours, it helps to reduce the crowing for carbohydrate. Alcohol is basically a sugar derivative. It's basically a carbohydrate, CH3OH. And by taking Oncoban, it reduces the crowing for alcohol. Within 3 days to 5 days time, the need for alcohol comes down, and it helps by another way. It reduces the pain. Most people say, I have body pain in the evening. Whole day I had work. Whole day I was busy. So evening I am tired. Oncoban takes away the tiredness. And third important thing, it helps to improve the sleep pattern. By taking the Oncoban in the evening hours, it helps to improve the sleep pattern and gives them a good sleep, sound sleep. So all three components to make sure even an alcoholic gets better with Oncoban and stops even the addiction. Capable.
I have given Osteodense to my mother.
Okay.
She's
70 years old. Okay.
After taking some 3-4 days,
Okay.
she had a bloating problem.
Bloating.
Yeah.
Okay.
What can you suggest?
Yeah. Please sit down. It's a routine. One out of few out of whole bunch usually have this issue. It has a high concentration of glycosaminoglycans and all the protein kind of things to make sure the cartilage and the worn out tissues are regenerated. So a person who had not taken adequate nutrients for quite a long time and their cartilage is worn out and the whole system, digestive system is not ready to take up the powerful nutrients, for initial 1 week it will be an issue. They will have the bloated abdomen. So for her, ask her to reduce the food in the dinner part. Say after taking Osteodense in the evening, 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, after that she will not have appetite at all. It's a high concentration of nutrients, and ask her to skip or reduce the dinner part. Whatever she is taking regularly, ask her to reduce it to half. And within a day or two, she will become all right.
Or is it advisable to tell her to take Oncoban first?
No. So once, say, if she has knee pain, if she has joint pain, degenerative joint disease, osteoarthritis, and by 70 years she will definitely have osteoporosis also. Once you have started with the osteodents, continue it for 3 months and let her whole skeletal makeup get completely ready. Only thing, it's a high concentration of nutrients, so ask her to skip or reduce the dose of the post osteodents dose. So if she is going to take it in the evening, ask her to take reduced quantity of dinner. She will be all right. Yeah.
I have a question on Oncoban.
Yeah.
How many days will it take to see the effects? A person like me, if I take
90 days, we suggest to get your system cleansed or make it perfect, picture perfect. Take it for 90 days continuously, and after that take it in alternate days. Usually I suggest to take it half the dose for continuously lifelong after 90 days. But there is you can't preserve the sachet, you don't have a refrigerator in your house. So in those situations, you take one sachet on alternate days, lifelong.
And one more thing, can it be taken with normal multivitamins or we regularly take?
Not required. Not required. So if at all you are already taking any multivitamin tablets, I don't suggest for any multivitamin tablets at all once you are on Oncoban. But if at all there is a very specific deficiency, like you have an iron deficiency or specific nutrient deficiency, then you take the medicine in the afternoons or in the evening, not in the morning while you are taking Oncoban.
Okay, one more thing.
Yeah.
Normally when I take multivitamins, if I take, I get acne. That is a side effect.
Okay.
Doctor says it might be because of iodine, rhodeos or vitamin
You get
B12.
acne. Acne or
Acne.
Okay.
So does that thing might affect same?
Yeah, in all multivitamins, the issue is acne. Say 10 out of 100 people who are taking multivitamins, they will develop acne if they are in 18 to 30 years duration, this age group. And with Oncoban, you will not get acne specifically.
Thank you.
People with
Yes, sir.
taking medicines for heart related issues,
Yeah.
whether Oncoban is
It's recommended. Excellent question. Already Dr. Munawar had explained about the cardiovascular issues. On taking Oncoban, two things you are benefited by two ways. A person who is already on ischemic heart disease, cardiovascular disease, they have already, maybe they have suffered angina, they have already have the stent in their heart, whatever it may be. The Oncoban helps the blood to be thinned. It does not causes block. It prevents block. So somebody who is already on some medication for like something like clopidogrel or aspirin or medicine for reducing the cholesterol levels, you start taking Oncoban, automatically within 90 days time your requirement for within second day you can stop the blood thinning medicines whichever you are taking for sure. So clopidogrel or aspirin if you are taking, you can blindly stop it while you are taking Oncoban. And for a person who is already taking lipid lowering medicines, you continue with Oncoban for 15 days, check your lipid level. Once it is reduced, reduce the dose of medicine and then stop it.
What about for diabetes? They have continued with the start for it along with
In
Oncoban.
case of diabetes, excellent question. Case of diabetes is divided into two categories: type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. If the person is a type 1 diabetes, they need to take insulin regularly. No question at all. Oncoban will help them to replace the micronutrients, but they cannot be able to stop taking insulin. But in case of type 2 diabetes, Oncoban helps a lot. If it is in the initial 5 years duration, you can reverse diabetes at all with Oncoban. For 90 days time, you take 90 days continuously, you check your blood sugar levels, it will automatically improve. And gradually reduce the dose and stop the medication. And contact your local physician, your family physician, reduce the dose and then stop it. And basic things need to be followed, 3 things. You have to take the food regularly in time, 2572 formula, which I always say to during my programs. food timing is very mandatory, very important in preventing diabetes or any